everyone, and welcome to my Airbnb in Granada, Cali Colombia. Let me show you how close we are to all the action that's going to go on. Right down here at this cross street, this whole street is a strip of bars, restaurants, and nightclubs, boutiques, and pretty much everything you could need. If you go to the next street and you take a right, you get to another large commercial building that has floors of additional supermarkets, drugstores, pretty much everything you need. It's a mall-style place, and it's really nice. It has a place for coffee and all kinds of stuff. Here is the actual building that I'm staying in. It goes all the way back with several apartments in there. The front is a big deadbolt door for safety. You go down the hallway and you come to my place, which is going to be on the right. It's digital lock, which makes things really convenient. And then we get to the inside. When you first get inside, the first thing you'll see is the office area where you can set up your computer. And as you turn to the left, you'll have your living room / kitchen. The kitchen has everything you need, including microwave. The microwave is underneath the vanity. And it has everything. The only diss that I can say about this kitchen is the electric stove can be temperamental. So when the people come in to clean it the first time, if they get aggressive with the soap and water, it can lock up on you. So the first time you get in here, it may be locked. So just know that before you let him leave, when he walks you through, make sure he physically can turn that on. Because if he can't, it means it needs to be unlocked. It can be unlocked easily. It just needs a little bit of TLC, more like skill work than TLC. Then you come into the living room area. You have your TV, sofa, and your basics. There's a light over there. I'm really not sure what you can use that for. But it is there if you need it. And then you have your patio in the back. I use it to hang up my clothes. I don't go out there much. But if I wanted to, I could move everything aside and practice yoga out there in the sun and get some vitamin D while I'm banging out my yoga poses. Then we come down in the other direction, and we have the bedroom. And as you see, I wanted to make sure that I put my earmuffs on, my ear protectors next to my pillow. We are in a city area where there is nightlife, nightclubs, discos, people speaking, people laughing, people drinking. If you're going to go to bed early because you have to get up early, you'll need these. In my opinion, whenever you travel to Latin America, bring these ear protectors, sound protectors, because Latin America in general is a noisy area. Then you have your area where you can have your safe and your closet space with space for shelving. I keep the majority of my stuff in my suitcase, but there are a few things that I do put inside there. We have the bathroom that has a super cool shower that has really hot water when you want it, and it came equipped with everything that you need. Now, it's nice to have extra towels. I have been to Airbnbs before where they give you one chintzy towel, and that can be a struggle. Over here, they give you 4 beautiful towels, and they wash them every Sunday. They come in every Sunday and do a deep cleaning throughout the entire place. This place is best. The AAA on this place is for the location. It's location, 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 if party scene is what you want. If you need to get up at 5 o'clock in the morning and head to the gym and then go to work, I don't recommend staying in this place. It's going to be too noisy and it's not designed for you. If you need to be up at 5 a.m. and you need to get 8 hours sleep, you need to be in more of a residential area. This is the party zone area. This is called Granada. So this is for people who are probably going to go to bed around 2 and then wake up, 7, 8 hours later, if that's the amount of sleep they get. So just so that you know, I don't want to sugarcoat anything. This place has noise at night. And sometimes the noise begins at about 3 in the afternoon and doesn't end until the middle of the night. With that being said, if you want to be in an area where you can walk out of your house and be near everything, hit the clubs, hit the bars, hit the restaurants, and walk back home, this is where you want to be. Also, this neighborhood is super duper safe. I give it a 5-star for safety.